Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to model this coupling as well as the reducer. By seeing this component itself, we can see it is an axis symmetric model. So by using a revolve tool, by single step itself, we can draw this model. There are multiple ways we can model this component in NX. In this tutorial, I am going to explain how to draw this component and using revolve tool. Go to NX. New model, make sure you are in the millimeter because I am using a millimeter unit. Specify the file name, folder, specify the folder. My folder is 38. Just say OK, then say OK. Now I have opened it. Now we will model this one, these two images. First we will model a coupling. For modeling coupling, go to the sketch. I'm just taking a front plane. Just say OK. Now first draw this sketch. For that, go to the profile. Somewhere from here, specify the length. The length is 40. Press enter. Yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now just specify the height from here to here, which is 32 divided by 2. Say no. Make this line as symmetric. Say yes. Now we have created this outer edge, then we'll create the inner edge from here to here. Somewhere here, there is more bump here. Here. Just close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Just take these dimensions just out, and easily you can see the sketch. Now specify the inner radius is 25 divided by 2. Say no. And both the dimensions here are equal dimensions. Click this one and click this one, make it equal. Press the roller. Now just specify this dimension as 18. Press the roller to confirm. And this side they are not specified it. And this side also they are not specified it. 18. This is 12.5 radius. This is make it 11. Press the roller to confirm. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. Just finish the sketch. Now you can see this is the section. We are going to revolve it around the axis about X. Now use the revolve. Select the sketch is already taken. Specify the vector, which vector. Select this vector. Now you can see the object is created. Just say OK. Just hide the sketch. To view the sections, just go to the menu, view, section view, edit section. So this is the section it will show. The same object only here also they shown. This is the 25 into 25 coupling. By saying OK, it will show the same one. Now we have created the coupling. Then we'll go for just save this object. Now we'll create another object is called reducer. For that, just go to the file, new, say model, millimeter, specify the name, specify the location, just say OK. Now we are going to create the same reducer by using the revolve tool. For that, first create the section. Go to the sketch again, front, say OK. Take a profile line, just specify it here. Press the roller to confirm, and this is inclined line, you can see it here. Make it horizontal. Now the length is 18. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now specify the diameter is 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. Say no. Now we have created this line. Then we'll start creating the another lines. Just take a line somewhere here. Just create a line. The total length is 40. From here to first specify the dimension of this line is 15. Say OK. From here to here the horizontal distance is 40. Say OK. Now and the diameter from here to here is 20. 20 divided by 2. Say OK. This is actually inner line. Now we just want to find the thickness of the model. Outer edge is 32. This also be inner edge only. Just connect these inner edges. Take a line from here. Little more and connect it. This way it is connected. Here you can see. Delete this one. Delete this one. The distance is 4 mm. Take a line. Just put like this. Just click this line. This is 4 mm. Say OK. This height they are not specified it. Make it some 9. From this point to here. From this point to here, which is make it some 9. Then take a line from here. Just connect it. Now we have created the inner sketch. Then we will create the outer sketch. The outer diameter is 32. Here it is 20. Similarly here it is 25, 32. The remaining dimension. Just go here. The outer distance is 32 minus 25. This is the 7 mm. By including this and this, divided by 2, 3.5 is the thickness. So now just take a line from here, just from here. Make it this horizontal line. This distance is 3.5. Press enter. And here also just make a line. Up to this. Make it this horizontal line. Then take a line. Just connect it here. Now see, the sketch is fully defined, and here also you can specify. These are the parallel lines. Here also you can see the dimension, which is, here also it should be a 3.5. And these 2 points are in the straight line. Just delete this one and delete this one. Take a line from here to here. Just delete. Just click this one, delete it. Take a line from here to here, horizontal line. Again take a line from this point to here, just connect it. Just specify this as 18. Now sketch is finished. Now we can go for the revolve tool. Just go finish sketch, revolve, select this vector as a x-axis, say OK. Now we have created this reducer with a simple steps. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.